If you're a soccer academy or club doing at least 10K a month in revenue, we will install a simple system to help you get 30 new athletes in the next 90 days, 100% guaranteed, so you can consistently grow your business, fill up your programs, double your profit, and dominate the local competition so you no longer have to deal with the frustration of low group training attendance, razor thin margins, and the overwhelming stress of not knowing where your next new client will come from. And look, I get it. You're a busy business owner, so I'm going to cut to the chase. What's this system worth to you? If you charge 200 per month per athlete with an average retention rate of say 6 months, which isn't bad, but it isn't great, 200 times 6 is about 1,200. So every single new athlete that comes into your business is worth $1,200 to you in LTV. And our system guarantees it will consistently sign up at least 10 athletes a month. So that's 12,000 a month, which is 1,200 times 10. That's $144,000 a year. That's 720,000 over 5 years. Three-fourths of $1 million in 5 years from one simple system. And this isn't some trick, it's simple math. Now, we've used this exact system with over 75 soccer academies in the US and the UK, including Robbie and David's academy that signs up 27 new athletes a month, Gabe's academy that signs up 6 new athletes a week, or Christian's academy that signs up 15 new athletes a month. And I've used the system myself to grow and scale my own academy to work with hundreds of players in my area. And here's how it works. The athlete acquisition system is a 5-step system, okay? It leverages locally targeted Instagram and Facebook ads plus an automated outreach system to help you consistently sign up 10 to 20 new athletes a month on autopilot, all without spending thousands a month on ads or boosting posts or relying on a marketing agency that's never even run an academy before. And this is not for businesses under $10,000 a month in revenue who don't have their own training location either rented or owned. And it's not for businesses who want to waste thousands of dollars a month on marketing agencies. So if that's you, then skedaddle. So step one is going to be create ads. What you want to do is you want to create 4 to 6 ads using a combination of picture and video ads, calling out parents of committed soccer players in your area of whatever age group that you coach. So an example of this is if you're a parent of a committed soccer player ages 9 to 12 in the Cary Apex area. So that'd be an example script. And what that's going to do is this will generate you high quality leads that are looking for soccer training in your area. Then once you've created these ads, then you want to go to step 2, which is target and launch. So then you want to launch these ads targeting parents with kids of the specific age group that you train. So what's really cool is we can take those ads with the messaging calling out our committed players, and we can send it to only accounts who are owned by Instagram and Facebook, who are owned by parents of whatever age group you train. So if you only train 8 to 14-year-old, we can send that ad to only parents in your area of 8 to 14-year-olds. And then what we do is we set up a radius bubble around your training location. And this works if you have one location or multiple locations. So then we run this ad and only parents of whatever age group that we want in this radius bubble, in a 10 to 15 mile radius around your training location, is going to see your ads and sign up with you. It's crazy. And off a simple $15 a day spend, that's going to generate you about 611 to almost 2,000 accounts. 2,000 parents of your exact age group that you want is going to see your ad. And that is going to generate you 4 to 17 leads every single day on autopilot. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to run these 4 to 6 ads at once to quickly identify the highest converting ads. It's called split testing. Basically, you launch all the ads at once. The ones that don't work, you turn them off. The ones that do work, you double the spend, you triple the spend, however much, right? That's why it's guaranteed to work. That's why ads are guaranteed to work for you, because you can split test. And by the end of this step, you're going to have a winning ad producing quite literally hundreds of leads every month. I mean, look at Peterson here, right? Like second week running ads, we've had 91 leads, signed up 2 players to 200 per month, and have 12 trial sessions coming in the next week. Okay. It's quick, it's fast, it's straight to the point, and it's going to generate you a ton of leads. All right. And then once you've launched your ads, then you go to step 3, which is optimize. So after 5 to 7 days, you'll want to analyze the data from your ads. Basically, turn off the underperforming ads to save you money, and then double down on the best performing ad and make sure it's making you at least a 5 to 1 return on investment. Meaning for every dollar that you spend, you are making $5 back. And how I like to look at it is like this machine, right? we have $1 going in, and it pumps out $5 on the other side. If you had a machine right in front of you that would quite literally, you put $1 in and you got $5 on the other side, you would put as much money into that machine as possible. And I've heard it all before. Oh, well, no, I've tried running ads and they didn't work for me, or 5-to-1 return. That sounds too good to be true. If you are not getting a minimum 5-to-1 return on your ads, then your ads are horrible. They are not good. They are not performing well. Either your system is broken or your ads are not good, or it's more than likely both. But in my experience, a 5-to-1 return is an absolute minimum for local ads for soccer academies and sports academies in general. All right. Because you got to understand, guys, Facebook wants you to win. Facebook wants you to spend more money with them. Why would they want you to leave the platform and not spend money? And you're only going to spend money with them if you make money. So you're nailing a 5-to-1 return. You're going to keep spending money, which is what they want. All right. So you should be getting a minimum 5-to-1 return. Like Paulo here, right? Just calculated that I've made about $16 per every dollar I spend on ads. That means for every dollar he's spending, he's making $16. He spent $150 to make $2,400. That is the power of running advertisements on Facebook and Instagram locally. Then what you want to do is step 4 is Pixel and Conversion API. Basically, you just want to set these things up, and essentially what it is when people sign up on your website and become customers with you, we can send that data back to Facebook to only target people with our ads that look exactly like our exact customer. So every single person in your area that is a committed parent of a soccer player is going to see your ads and want to sign up with you. And by setting these up, you're going to get better targeting, better results, even higher returns on ad spend of 6, 7, 8, even 10-to-1 returns. I mean, Sam spent $60 to sign somebody for $250 for 12 months. She'll make $3,000 from a $60 investment. That's like a 50-to-1 return, which is absolutely insane. And then finally, step 5, and the most important part, is the automated outreach system. So what you need to do is you need to set up a lead automation system to handle follow-ups on autopilot. Okay, basically what that means is when somebody signs up on your website and on your ad, we automatically reach out to them within 3 minutes. All right, the system will reach out to potential customers via text and email within 3 minutes of them signing up through your ad or website. What you guys need to understand is we are in an attention deficit economy right now. Everybody has TikTok brain. Nobody can keep attention. So the longer you go without reaching out to your leads, the worse it gets. I'm sure we've all been there before when we're at trainings and we can't reach out to our leads right away and they ghost us forever. That's because you don't have an automated system. Every single minute you go at us outside, you have 5 minutes to respond to a lead before they start going and getting attention from other places, your competition more specifically. So you have to be able to reach out to them immediately. So that's exactly what we build. So we build a system that will automatically reach out to them within them 3 minutes of signing up. And this is going to ensure you capture their attention immediately and get them booked into a trial session and close them into becoming a new client. Just like Christian here, who signs 8 clients last week, 6 so far this week. He's trying to average 5+ a week, all because he's using this 5-step system. And this 5-step system will consistently produce 10 to 20 new athletes a month for your academy. Because, I mean, let's be real. You're a busy business owner and you don't have time to set this up yourself. So we'll build the system for you and then install it into your business. And the best part is we'll teach you and your team how to run it moving forward. So you'll never need to pay us again or some marketing agency ever again. And if this system doesn't bring you 30 new athletes in the next 90 days of installation, then we'll refund you 100% guaranteed. So if you want a proven system that will consistently and reliably sign up new athletes, then book a demo call with us below. It's very simple. We're going to jump on the call. I'm going to see if you are a good fit for this system, because it's not for everybody. Then we're going to build a higher level strategy for you specifically for your business. And then we'll give you an offer. It's very simple, guys. So if you want a system to consistently sign 10 to 20 new athletes a month on autopilot so you can grow your soccer training academy, double your profits, fill up your program, and dominate the local area, then go book in a call with us using the link below.